Pluto stopped being a planet in 2006 when it was reclassified as a dwarf planet, a demotion that attracted controversy and stirred debate in the scientific community and among the general public. American astronomer Percival Lowell first suggested that Pluto existed in 1905 when he observed strange deviations in the orbits of Neptune and Uranus. Lowell proceeded to predict the mystery planet's location in 1915, but died 15 years before its discovery. Pluto was eventually discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh at the Lowell Observatory, based on predictions by Lowell and other astronomers. When discovered more and more about the Kuiper Belt and the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, we learned that there are lots of objects like Pluto, more like Pluto in some ways than Pluto is like the other planets. Finding all these new objects, it became necessary for astronomers to get more specific about what we mean by the word planet and figure out which category Pluto fit into. The 3 rules astronomers of the International Astronomical Union came up with to define a planet are: number 1, the object must orbit the Sun. Number 2, the object must be massive enough to be roughly spherical. And number 3, the object must have cleared its orbit of any objects of comparable mass to its own. That is, it must be gravitationally dominant in its orbit. Pluto satisfies the first 2 of these criteria, but not the third. Even one of its own moons, Charon, is about half of Pluto's size. So rather than being the runt of the planet group, Pluto was now the king of the dwarf planet group. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.